Most drivers go through life completely unaware of the hidden tricks their cars have tucked away, tricks that can save them time, money, and a whole lot of frustration. Today I'm going to reveal 10 genius car hacks that almost no one knows about. These hacks will not only make your driving experience smoother, but could also save you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars in repairs and maintenance. So, buckle up and don't skip a single one. Each hack is a game changer. Hack number 10. Use a sock filled with cat litter to prevent foggy windows. Foggy windows are a common nuisance, especially during cold or humid weather, but here's a simple hack that can keep your windshield clear without expensive sprays or treatments. Take a clean sock or pantyhose, fill it with silica-based cat litter, tie it off, and place it on your dashboard or under your seat. The cat litter absorbs excess moisture inside your car, preventing fog buildup on your windows. This hack works year-round, keeping your windows clear in winter and reducing that muggy feeling in summer. It's a $5 solution that can last for months, saving you from constantly wiping your windows or risking poor visibility. Plus, it's easy to refresh by simply replacing the cat litter when it becomes saturated. Hack number 9. Restore your car's interior shine with petroleum jelly. If your car's dashboard and plastic panels look faded and dull, you don't need to spend a fortune on detailing. A small amount of petroleum jelly, applied with a microfiber cloth, can bring back that deep black shine and protect your interior from UV damage. Use light, even strokes to apply and buff away any excess. This trick not only makes your interior look brand new, but also keeps rubber seals flexible, preventing leaks and cracks. Just be careful not to overdo it, as too much jelly can attract dust and dirt, which might make your interior look worse over time. When used correctly, this simple hack can extend the life of your car's interior materials significantly. Hack number 8. Magic eraser for removing scuff marks. Scuff marks on your car's interior or exterior can make it look worn out, but removing them doesn't have to be a hassle. A simple magic eraser, yes, the same one you use for cleaning walls, can lift stubborn black marks from plastic, vinyl, leather, and even painted surfaces. Dampen the eraser slightly and gently rub the marks away. This inexpensive hack saves you from costly detailing and keeps your car looking fresh. Just remember to test in a small area first and avoid scrubbing too hard to prevent damage. This hack is especially useful for removing shoe scuffs, pen marks, and other everyday stains that regular cleaners can't handle. It's a quick fix that can dramatically improve your car's appearance without breaking the bank. Hack number 7. Use your headrest to break car windows in emergencies. In an emergency where you need to escape your car, but the doors won't open, your headrest can be a lifesaver. Remove the headrest from your seat and use the metal prongs to break the side window glass. Tempered glass, which is used for side windows, shatters into small, safe pieces when struck correctly. This hack is simple, effective, and could save your life if you ever find yourself trapped. It's a feature designed into many modern cars but rarely mentioned in owner manuals. Knowing this trick ahead of time can make all the difference in a critical situation. Keep this in mind, it's a small detail that could have a huge impact. Hack number 6. Use cleaning slime to clean AC vents. Your car's air conditioning vents might look clean, but they often harbor dust, dirt, and allergens that get blown directly into your face every time you turn on the AC. Cleaning these vents thoroughly can be a challenge, but here's a genius hack. Use cleaning slime, the same kind used for keyboards and electronics. Press the slime into the vents and let it mold into every crevice. When you pull it out, it will have trapped dust, pet hair, and debris that regular cleaning tools can't reach. This simple, inexpensive hack not only improves the air quality inside your car, but also enhances the efficiency of your AC system. It's especially beneficial for allergy sufferers and anyone who wants fresher, cleaner air while driving. Hack number 5. Lubricate ignition lock with pencil graphite. If your car key is sticking or hard to turn in the ignition, don't rush to replace the lock or call a mechanic. Instead, try this old-school hack. Use the graphite from a regular number 2 pencil. Rub the pencil lead thoroughly over the key's teeth and grooves, then insert and remove the key several times. The dry graphite acts as a natural lubricant, easing the key's movement inside the lock without attracting dirt or grime like oil-based lubricants do. This trick works not only for ignition locks, but also for door locks and glove compartments. It's a cheap, effective way to extend the life of your locks and avoid costly repairs. Hack number 4. Turn your steering wheel before parking to avoid heat. Ever get into your car on a hot summer day only to find the steering wheel burning your hands? Here's a simple hack to avoid that uncomfortable moment. Before you park, turn your steering wheel 180 degrees so the part you usually grip faces downward, away from direct sunlight. This small adjustment keeps the grip area shaded, making it much cooler when you return to your car. Not only does this make your drive more comfortable, but it also helps protect the steering wheel's material from heat damage and cracking over time. The same principle applies to your gear shifter. Position it so it's shaded as well. This easy habit can save you from the daily annoyance of a scorching hot steering wheel and extend the life of your car's interior. Hack number 3. Use the hidden tow hook in your trunk for emergencies. If you ever get stuck in mud, snow, or sand, you might panic looking for a safe place to attach a tow strap. Most cars come with a hidden tow hook stored in the trunk, usually under the spare tire or in a small compartment. Look for a small metal hook and a matching cover on your front or rear bumper. Pop off the cover and screw in the tow hook. It's designed to handle the stress of towing without damaging your car. Knowing where this hook is and how to use it can save you time and prevent costly bumper damage when you need a tow. It's a factory-installed feature that many drivers overlook, but can be a lifesaver in sticky situations. Hack number 2. Use conversation mirrors to keep an eye on the back seat. Whether you're a parent keeping an eye on your kids or a rideshare driver monitoring passengers, constantly turning around to check the back seat can be distracting and dangerous. Many cars come equipped with a hidden conversation mirror built into the sun visor. Flip down your sun visor and look for a small, secondary mirror on the back side. Some models even have extendable or swivel mirrors that let you adjust the view perfectly. This simple feature allows you to keep an eye on the back seat without taking your eyes off the road. If your car doesn't have one, clip-on baby mirrors are inexpensive and easy to install. Using this hack improves safety by reducing distractions and helps you stay aware of what's happening behind you. Hack number 1. Reset your TPMs, sensor yourself. The tire pressure monitoring system, TPM light, can be annoying, especially when all your tires are properly inflated, but the warning stays on. Instead of paying a mechanic $50 or more to reset it, you can do it yourself in just a few minutes. Locate the TPM's reset button, usually under the steering wheel, near the glove box, or in the center console. With your tires inflated to the recommended pressure, press and hold the button until the light blinks 3 times, then release. Drive your car for about 10-15 minutes at speeds above 30 mph to complete the reset. Some newer cars require you to reset the system through the infotainment menu. This simple hack saves money and keeps your dashboard warning free. If these hacks surprised you or saved you money, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more smart car tips. Stay tuned for more insider secrets that keep your car running smoothly and your wallet happy. Drive safe and see you in the next video.